Welcome back to Gagne Farms. This is Candace. I know it's been a really long time, but we missed you guys so much. We had to come back. Things have just gotten really busy here, and we have so much to share with you. So today, I'm canning some pickles. I haven't canned pickles in a really long time, so this is almost like a new experience for me. So come along with me and we'll see how it goes. I got these pickles from a farmer's market in town. It was just a small little farmer's market, and we got all these great pickling cucumbers. So we're gonna pickle them and can them.
Hi, it's Sophie, and I just washed the pickles, scrubbed them clean, all clean,
And now we're getting our ingredients ready so we can pickle our pickles. So we need to make our brine for our pickles, so we're going to do that. So first we need 3 cups of vinegar. Now we need 3 cups of water. 4 tablespoons of canning salt. That goes in next. Okay, so our brine's all set. We're going outside. We need one more ingredient that we actually have here on Gagne Farms. We need some grape leaves to put in our jars to help keep the pickles crisp. So we're gonna go out and get some fresh grape leaves. Take the leaf off, yep. So here we are out behind our garden where we have some grapevines growing. And we're gonna pick a few of these grape leaves to put in our jars. Oh. All right, we got our grape leaves. We're gonna head back in, right? So I've got my stove full of everything I need here, getting the lids, rings all ready, got my brine warming up, and I've got my hot water bath ready. As you can see, I'm cutting up the pickling cucumbers into slices. So I just take this and cut the little ends off. You're supposed to cut one of the ends off because something in it, the enzymes make the pickles not stay crisp in the jar if you leave it on. So I think it's the flour end or whatever, but I wasn't real sure which end was that, so I just cut both ends off. So here I have 6 jars. I'm not sure if that's how many I'm gonna need or not, or if it's gonna be too many or too little. I don't know if I have enough brine, but we're going for it. So here we go. I got the jars out. I'm gonna put the stuff in them, the spices in them, and we'll go from there. So watch along. Teaspoon of garlic in each jar. A sprig of dill. I bought some dill. This recipe actually calls for dill seed, so I didn't think you could use dill seed. So I got fresh dill. So I'm going to use this instead.
What do you got going on there?
I'm supposed to pack these in here. This zipper I'm not real good at. Okay, so this is supposed to be my key that I read. You're supposed to put a fresh grape leaf in it.
It's probably poison ivy.
It's the one that was growing onto the fence by the garden.
It's either poison ivy or grape. We'll find out. I'll let you know.
It's a grape.
I don't know. Looks like a grape leaf.
It's the one you told me was grape.
Yes.
Anyway, this is supposed to keep your pickles crisp. It's a whole time something or other. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna
What are we doing, Candace?
I got some more brine made, so we're finishing these up. Putting brine in the rest of them. One more to go here.
You got enough brine made that's making my eyes water. If you guys could smell it in here, it smells like a big pickling factory.
This is my jar that doesn't have any pickles in it, so. Okay. Wipe the rims. See if that seed had been on there, then the jar wouldn't seal right. Make sure your rims are all clean and free of whatever.
And you want to use a good high quality toilet paper when you do that.
Paper towel. This paper towel.
What are we going to call these pickles? Some people call them fire and ice, or some people call them bread and butter. Some people call them dill.
Dill.
We're just going to call them a dill. We're going to call these dill hole pickles.
Alright, in the hot water bath they go. Some people need stools to be able to hot water bath things.
Candace needs a stool to take a poop.
Okay. 10 minutes on these puppies.
How long?
10 minutes. Here are our pickles. They are done. We hot water bathed them for 10 minutes and here they sit. First canning of the season, pickles. Well, here is our jar of pickles that we made and it's time to taste test. You want to cut it and split one in half? What do you want to do? Here, take it. It's all yours. All right. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, puppy! That's really good.
Sweet.
That is very good. It's very pickly.
I don't know if I can take it.
It's a good pickle. It's pretty strong, but it's very the best pickle I've ever made.
Sweet.
Definitely good flavor.
What's the problem? You don't like pickles?
No, I love pickles. They're really pickly.
I would say that that is a success.